Cleaning spa equipment is essential for maintaining hygiene, safety, and a professional wellness environment. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of bacteria, oils, and residue from repeated client use. All tools, including massage tables, stones, towels, and facial devices, should be cleaned after every session. Use approved disinfectants that are effective yet gentle on equipment surfaces and materials. Non-porous tools should be washed, disinfected, and dried thoroughly before storage. Linens and towels must be laundered with hot water and appropriate detergents to remove contaminants. Oil warmers, steamers, and electrical devices should be wiped carefully, avoiding excess moisture. Floors, sinks, and treatment rooms require daily cleaning to maintain a calm and sanitary atmosphere. Staff should wear gloves when necessary and follow clear sanitation protocols consistently. Proper drying and organized storage help prevent mold, odors, and cross-contamination. A well-maintained cleaning routine builds client trust and reflects high professional spa standards.